One topic was left to be discussed, dear students, that was photolytic decomposition, which is sometimes also known as photolysis or simply photo decomposition. Okay, photo decomposition. And what does it actually means? That is the decomposition which is taking place because of light. Decomposition, decomposition because of light. Okay, so we have an activity regarding this in your NCERT book, that is we have taken a watch glass over here. Okay, and this watch glass is actually filled with सिल्वर क्लोराइड इन इट. ठीक है, इसमें एक सिल्वर क्लोराइड AgCl हमने रखा है एंड वी आर एक्चुअली एक्सपोजिंग इट टू सनलाइट. इसको सनलाइट पे एक्सपोज किया है. तो इट इज दिस इज अ वॉच ग्लास एंड दिस इज कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ silver chloride in it, and when sunlight will fall on it, ठीक है, what will happen? ठीक है, after certain period of time you will see, ठीक है, around after 10 to 20 minutes में आप observe करोगे that the color is changed. You get silver as well as chlorine gas is released. Okay. So we need to balance this reaction. I'll put a 2 here and obviously a 2 here. Now this is balanced. This was silver chloride. The color was white here, and when it changes to silver, the color becomes what? The color becomes grayish, silverish gray color. Okay. So this is a reaction basically taking place under the exposure of sunlight. This is decomposed into silver and chlorine gas. Similarly, if instead of taking chlorine, I take some any other halogen, like if I take silver bromide, okay, and again I am exposing it to sunlight. This is the essential thing which is taking part in reaction. That's why I'm putting it over arrow. Okay, so this one compound is breaking down into what? Silver as well as bromine gas is again released. So we get silver and we got this silver bromide over here. Okay, so actually the things which are to be kept in mind is these reactions are very essential from the point of view that you study decomposition, where sun is the active player which is resulting in the decomposition of these compounds, okay, into the finer elements. Other thing which is very essential is that this reactions actually are used in black and white photography जो होती थी, उसमें यही reactions का use लिया जाता था. ठीक है, these reactions were very essential in that. So this is the example of photolytic decomposition. I'll give you few more reactions to understand this. Photolysis क्या है? ठीक है, that means breakdown because of photo means the energy from the sun. ठीक है, so one example is हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड में again if the UV radiations come from sun, what happens? It breaks down into hydrogen and iodine. Both are in the gaseous state. Okay, so I need to balance it. I'll be putting a 2 on this side. Hydrogen iodide break to hydrogen and iodine. Then one more example is that of hydrogen peroxide को अगर हम अगेन वी आर एक्सपोजिंग इट टू सनलाइट, व्हाट विल हैपन? सनलाइट दी है तो इट विल ब्रेक डाउन इनटू वाटर एंड ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, वी नीड टू बैलेंस इट एंड इट कैन बी बैलेंस्ड बाय पुटिंग अ 2 ऑन दिस साइड एंड अ 2 ऑन दिस साइड. तो दिस वाज हाइड्रोजन peroxide breaks down into water liquid and oxygen gaseous. Okay, I hope this point is very very clear to you. What is photolytic decomposition? It's the very simple decomposition, and thank you everyone. I just want to tell you that prepare for the test now. I'll be sharing the PDF file of answers of this chapter, including both in-text and exercise question. Do read them properly, study them properly. If you find any difficulty, do message me separately, and after completing all the written work, do give me the photographs of your work, of your register to me, so that I can mark your names as the good students, those who have completed the work. So keep going, keep working hard, and all the best for your upcoming test. Thank you.